Today we're gonna taste some meat snacks. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I was listening to one of my podcasts and actually came across this company through that because it's actually a side hustle for a butcher. So this is by FireCreek Snacks, and this gentleman, I think right here in Illinois, makes these delicious beef snacks, and so I thought I would try them out. Now, what I think is interesting is that this guy represents multiple generations of butchers, so he actually works in the meat industry here and knows his meats and has developed these little meat snacks, and that is because he was trying to develop a premium meat snack in the meat snack market. So you might be familiar with snacks that look like this. I think we know them as Slim Jim, slap into a Slim Jim, but these are supposed to be higher quality, supposed to be low sugar, high protein, no soy, no gluten, and I have already been trying them out, and I will tell you what, they are pretty good. Now, they come in a little stick like this. You can get them in different flavors. I picked up original, teriyaki, and kicker, and super easy to open. And the thing about this is they are very tender. Oh, you just bite them off like that, they just start coming apart. I will say, I think the original is my favorite. It's got a smoky, oaky flavor to it, just a little bit of spice, and man, it's delicious. It kind of comes apart in your mouth. It's not hard, it's not dry, it's moist, it's just about right. Now, personally, my second favorite is teriyaki. And the nice thing about this teriyaki is, I think it's a little more mild. It's got a little bit of that sweet teriyaki flavor to it. It's really the only difference. Again, just delicate and delicious and moist. If you like meat, I think you're gonna love this. Now, the last one is the kicker, and it's got some kick. A little spice, a little heat to it. I don't usually eat a lot of really spicy food, but I can still enjoy this one. But it definitely has some heat. You can feel it around your throat. Maybe a little jalapeno-ish. For me, that doesn't like spicy food, it's still super delicious. But if you don't like that spice, if you don't like that kick, if you don't like feeling a little heat in your throat as it's going down, I would avoid the kicker, but it's great. I tell you what, these snacks are great. They're pretty affordable. You can get them in a variety pack, and they have like a money-back guarantee. If you don't love them, you can let them know, apparently. So, but they got me, because I do love them. I'm definitely going to pick up some more. They're a great little snack for being on the road. If you want to try them out, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.